Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you're asking yourself the question, what is the easiest flooring to install yourself? I'm going to quickly go over 5 types of flooring that are very easy to install. First, if you're looking for carpet, carpet tiles are a great way to easily install carpet. Next, you have peel and stick vinyl tiles, which are also very easy to install. Next, if you're looking for a kind of a plank effect, like a wood plank effect, you have WPC and SPC, which is wood plastic composite and stone plastic composite vinyl plank flooring. The next easiest would be some vinyl sheet flooring. And the last one on this list is a little bit harder, but if you want a tile floor, but you don't want all the difficulty of installing tile, there's a product called RevoTile, which is much easier than standard tile to install. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.